Hi there. I want to give you a brief little walkthrough of what to do after you post a job. So then that way you can get the most applicants for your position possible. Let's jump into it. So now the job that you posted, if you ever want to view it again and change the parameters, you can click View Job Posts and select any changes here. You can also invite different agencies to jobs. So if you want to invite Michael to a job, you just click Send. If you want to view an agency before inviting them to a job, you can click to view their profile here inside the app and click on their website just like this. If you want someone on your team to take a look at a client, you can grab, or an agency, you can grab their link here and you can share it just like that. If you want a more refined search, you can search agencies by what they're offering. So if you want to search for agencies that do Amazon marketing, you can click here and it will show you a list of agencies that do Amazon marketing, as well as any lead magnets that they're offering. So here you can see a lead magnet that I have showing you that I will help you book 100 meetings per month for free. Think of this kind of like Groupon for agencies. Essentially, all these different agencies we have in our system are offering things in order to get you to take a meeting with them. And so you can actually take them up on these when you invite them to a job post, and they'll do this thing for you. So if it's booking meetings for free or giving them access to a guide or something else, you can get access to that through the software. If you ever want to create a new job post, you just hit create new job post, and then all the features will pop up here for you to create a new job post. Lastly, if you ever want to view all your job posts, just click here on the left-hand side or click jobs in the top right corner, and it will show you the jobs listed. Now, one thing to keep note of is that when people actually submit to your job, you will then see it inside the messages section here. So let me show you what the messages look like. Let's say I want to send a message to this person. I'll click here and I'll send a message. I can then click send, and it will now invite this agency to the job post, and I'll be redirected to the message that I just sent to that agency. So as you can see, the post pops up here and you can now click to view the message that you sent. The final thing to know is that this post is inactive, meaning that nobody can apply to it yet. We actually manually approve all the posts that come through. And so once it's approved, you'll be notified, and this will be changed to pending, meaning that we have actually went through and approved it. And that's everything for now on how to post jobs in the system. Whenever you want to actually pause the intros that we're making, you can click on the actual job post in the dashboard and then select or not select an agency that you want to work with. Once you do that, it'll stop the intros and you'll be good to go. Hope you enjoy this feature of getting agencies to work with your company. Thank you so much.